Zubaidul, open your English literature book. English literature book. Today we'll do snowball. Very, yes, Ayush, this one. Yes, very interesting it is. Zubaidul, yes, say. Yes, Zubaidul, tell me. Zubaidul, tell me if you are having any problem, unmute your device and tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Mute your device.
No problem.
Okay, okay. Good. Very good. Nice to hear you that no problem. Very good. Okay, chalo. Just give me 2 minutes, 1 second. Just allow me to open my book also. Okay, English literature. Snowball. First, I will play the rhyme. After that, I'll show you the video. Hope you will enjoy that. Okay, so here is the poem Snowball, written by Sel Silverstein. Please keep this in your mind. Don't forget to write the poet's name. The name of the poet of Snowball poem is Shel Silverstein. Shel Silverstein is a poet of Snowball. I know now you are feeling hot because of the summer days, but I hope after reading this poem you will also feel cool like me. Now let me tell you about Snowball. What is Snowball? Look at here. No need to see my screen. You are having your own book. Look at your book. When I will tell you that look at my screen, that time you will check. Okay? Snowball. Now, what is snowball? A snowball is a ball of snow in places where it snows, just like hill station or hilly region like Kashmir, Darjeeling, Gangtok, okay, Shimla, Manali. Okay, so these are called this hilly region. This okay. So in places where it snows, children sometimes make and throw snowball at each other for fun. They also build snowmen. Okay, so snowball, ball made by snow. Now read it. Okay, before that you should write CW. I made myself a snowball. Everyone listen to me very carefully. I made myself a snowball. As perfect as could be. As perfect as could be. Perfect means as good as something can be. Sometimes we say that do the word perfectly, write it perfectly. Perfect means as good as something can be. As good is possible for you to do. Okay, I thought I keep it as a pet. You can see here it is written after I apostrophe comma and then D. You can also say that I thought I could keep it as a pet. But this D is a silent D, so we should pronounce this sentence like this way. I thought I keep it as a pet. This is the rhyming sound of this poem. This D is silent, so you have to pronounce here only I. Is it clear to you? I thought I keep as a pet and let it sleep with me. I made it some pajamas and a pillow for its head. Then last night it ran away, but first it wet the bed. Let me tell you the meaning. Just like you, he is a boy. Just like you, he is a boy. You can see, 1 minute, you can see, here is a boy. Here is a boy, you can see. Okay, so he made a snowball for himself. For himself, he made a snowball. So you can also make a snowball for yourself. As much as possible for him, for the boy, he made it perfectly. He thought that he keep it as a pet. In our home, we also keep some animal with us. This animal known as pet animal. So pet means the thing that animals or the thing that we keep with us in our home. So the boy thought that he will keep this snowball with him. And he also sleep with it. Okay, he wished to sleep with him. With a snowball. With it, sorry, snowball. After that, he made some pajama. Do you know pajama mean? Pajamas mean it's a kind of pant. Dhoti pajama, you used to, I think you already heard this word. So pajama is a kind of pant. Okay, so the boy also made some pajamas for the snowball and a pillow for its head also. Then last night, what happened? Last night, the ball ran away. And but first it wet the bed. Wet mean to get covered in water. Can you tell me why it wet the bed? Because it is snow, and we know it very well that snow can be dissolved because it is a snowball. It is not a hard ball. This is a snowball. So when the boy put it on the bed, it easily dissolved. Yes. Acha. Mehrab, who is doing the class? You or your mother? Because I can see your mother is looking at the screen and you are doing something else. If you do the class like this, I will remove you from the class because the student, you have to habituated with the teacher, not the parents. If the parents is doing something from the screen, to whom we are teaching the student, not the parents. And this is my humble request to the parent, let them free with the teacher. If Mehrab can't understand what I am saying, let him ask to me that, ma'am, what you are saying, you are not audible to me. Whatever the problem, what is the problem he is facing, let him ask to me, why you are doing this? You are not my student. Silently, you don't know silently how much you are hampering your child future. You have no idea about it. Don't do it, please. This is my humble request to all parents. Okay, slow as the ball is made by snow, that is why it is wet the bed. Okay, is it clear? Now prepare first 4 sentences. Tomorrow I will give you to write these first 4 sentences. Okay, first 4 sentences is your homework for tomorrow. Everyone now speak with me. Everyone speak with me. Raisha, switch on the video. I made myself a snowball. Srishti, Nishan, Akmal. It should be from both sides. I am reading it out and you have to read the poem with me. I made myself a snowball as perfect as could be. I thought I'd keep it as a pet and let it sleep with me. Afrin, Raz, read it properly. Ifra, Rajdi, Oishani, Rashi. Everyone read the poem properly. I made myself a snowball as perfect as could be. I thought I'd keep it as a pet and let it sleep with me. I made it some pajamas and a pillow for its head. Then last night it ran away, but first it wet the bed. Okay, now everyone, I'm going to show you the video animation of this poem. Wait. See, this is the animation of this poem. This is Snowball. And let it sleep with me. I made it some pajama. These are pajama. And a pillow for its head. Then last night it ran away, but wait the bed. Okay, I played it again. See, snowball. I made myself a snowball as perfect as could be. I thought I would keep it as a pet and let it sleep with me. I made it some pajama and a pillow for its head. Then last night it ran away, but first it wet the bed. Yes, I hope you enjoy. Do you want to watch it for one time? Okay. This is the last time. See, snowball. I made a myself as perfect as could be. I thought I would keep it as a pet and let it sleep with me. I made it some pajamas and a pillow for its head. Then last night it ran away, but first it wet the bed. Okay, so funny, no? Okay, yes, Bornabo, say.
We can read. I made myself a snowball as perfect as could
Last
be.
four sentence, okay? Yes.
The pen and let it sleep with me. I made it some pajamas and a pillow for its head. Then last night it ran away, but first it was the bed.
Very, very good. Acha. Then Oishani, Arvin, Rajdi, and Shumon. And Shumon, read the poem.
This.
Yes, Rajdi, Shumon.
I go to toilet.
Yes, go.
I made myself a snowball has perfect as could be. I thought I had to keep it as
Oishani, read the poem. Rajdi, read the poem.
and let it sleep with me.
Only first four sentences. Only first four sentences.
I made myself a snowball. Let night is one week, but it sleep with me.
I will request to all of you drop your hand because I will ask everyone. As much as possible for me within this time, I will ask to you drop your hand. Help me to take the attendance. Drop your hand. Drop your hand. I will ask you.
Ma'am,
Okay. Yes.
ma'am, what is the meaning of could be?
Could be mean that is going to happen. If I say that it could be rain, means mean it can be rain today. Okay, there is a chance. Could be mean para, korte para, hobe সম্ভবত, maybe. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
What I said, everyone drop your hand. No need to raise your hand. The student will be chosen by me. Those who are most attentive in the class, they will first ask by name. Acha. Ashna, Afrin, Mushina, Irene. Read the poem. Ashna, Afrin, Mushina, Irene. Read the poem.
I made myself a snowball.
Only fast four sentence. Fast four sentence. Only fast four sentence. Okay. Fast four. Okay. Okay. Very good, all of you. Now mute your device. After that, Arvita, Shivani, Vanu, and Ifa.
I made myself snowball as perfect as could be.
Yes.
I
Shivani Mandir.
I
Shivani
keep
Mandir.
eating
Read the poem.
Kitty as a pet and let Kitty sleep with me.
Yes. Very good. Now mute your device.
You, ma'am.
Mute your device. Ayush and Rashi, read. Ayush, Rashi, Srishti.
I made myself. I made myself a snowball as perfect as could be. I thought I would keep it as a pet and let sleep with me. I put some pajamas and a pillow for its head. Then last night it ran away, but
Okay. Those who have completed, they can mute their device. Very good, Rashi, Ayush. Very good. Thank you. Achha, now mute your device and give other one. Srishti. Okay, now Shagnik. Shagnik, Rajdhi. Shagnik, Rajdhi. Shagnik, Rajdhi. Acha, Nishan. 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 Armin. Read the poem.
Yes, ma'am.
Arhan, sit in a place.
Yes. Myself a snowball as perfect as would be.
Srishti, what happened? Why are you talking? You are not reading at all.
That is perfect. Live with me. Perfect.
Very good.
I eat as a pet and let farmers.
Okay.
I made a floor head for its head as perfect.
Now Deeptha.
It and
Deeptha.
away.
Arhan Rahman, Zubaidul, Raisha, and Arshina. Read the poem. Shagni, very good. Oh, अच्छा, Raisha. Very good. Raisha. Very good. Yes, Arshi, say. Armin, Rahman, you are not there in the class.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, say.
Myself a snowball.
Who?
Would be I
Who?
and it has a tail
Who?
and a leg. It sleep with me.
Who?
I নাকি আছে নানিশা আলা রাওয়াল
Who? Say. Completed. Arhan Rahman, read out the poem. Read out. Very good, all of you.
I made
Hmm?
I made myself
Hmm?
a snowball.
Yes, very good.
Perfect old bee.
Yes.
I thought I
Hmm?
keep my
Yes. Afrin read.
heart
Afrin Naz read. Very good, Arshi.
and lead
Poem. Raisha.
it
Mr. Srishti, what happened today?
with me.
Yes. Zubaidul read. Zubaidul read. Very good. Very good. Those who are left, they are requested to read the poem. Read the poem. Those who are left to read it, please read it out. Read it out. Acha, Arvika wants to say yes, Arvika.
Ma'am, see my drawing.
Very nice. For Rathor Yatra special drawing. Very good. Acha, Raisha. Yes, Raisha. Unmute. Switch on the video. Otherwise, I will remove you from the class. Switch on the video. Switch on the video. Say. Read out the poem. Read out.
By this book.
Now, who are talking in your home? Who is talking? Who is talking very loudly? Read out the poem. Read out the poem. Only 5 minutes left. Read the poem. Snowball. Oh, you want to show me your drawing? Okay, those who want to show me, they can. They can. Very good idea in Rajdi. Very nice it is. Very nice it is. I can see why. What happened, Srishti? Why are you crying? In the class, don't cry in the class. Ashna, na sit properly. What happened, Srishti? Tell me.
Ma'am, she is not reading the poem.
Okay. She will read. Yes. Okay, actually she will read with me. That is why she is waiting.
No,
Na?
ma'am, she even don't try it to read it herself own.
Okay. She will read it with me. Yes. Now let's see who can read the poem properly. She or ma'am? She or ma'am? Let's see who can read it properly. Okay, Srishti, tell me the poem. Fast, fast, fast. Fast, fast. 5 minutes left. Tell me. Tell me. Within 5 minutes, this meeting will be end. Tell me. Very good, Vaishani. Very nice drawing. Fingerprint impression, no? What happens, Srishti? See, all of your friends is it.